all probably going to get in that lane anyway. Ooh.
Yeesh. Wow.
Yeah. Oh.
Shit.
Yeah. Totally.
Are we in it? Yeah. Well, we're kind of in it.
As soon as we slow down, go. Uh-oh. You're right.
219 for gas.
Wow.
Wow, this traffic light's like on its side.
Yeah, that's not my worry. Alright.
Wow. This thing is punching.
Are we gonna...
Across the highway, you said, right?
Yep. Ooh.
Wow.
Ooh. Uh-oh. Alright. Windows up.
Holy cow.
Yep. Oh. Okay. We're fine. Stay in the lane, bud.
Oh.
Stay in the lane and close the window.
Holy cow.
You that?
I don't want any of these light poles to come toppling down on me.
Yeah, I know. Yep. Alright.
The wind was like dust is wrapping around. I have dusty hands right now.
Yeah. Keep going.
There's trees up here.
Dude, keep going into the fields that are past the trees.
Yeah, but if that tree comes down
just
on
go.
me.
We'll shoot it. Speed up.
My
Let's
Lord.
get on. There's more trees that way. Let's get past the trees. Get past.
Fuck.
Alright, get past. Get past. Alright.
No.
Shit, get on the side of the lane. Get on this side. Alright, right here. Pull off.
Somebody help me out. I don't have radar data.
Pull off. Pull in here.
Radars, but it looks like we've got some rotation still there.
Far off. Dude, you know how close we just came to getting a head-on crash?
Yeah, well, I had
no.
I didn't want these. My most important thing was the trees.
Well, that was not the right thing.
Okay, copy. Thank you. I'm on the side of it. I just got radar data. We're going to split east and try and get ahead of this. See if we can't get a view on the backside.